The Redragon wireless mechanical gaming keyboard is an impressive piece of hardware, offering a unique and stylish design with its cyber mecha aesthetic. The keyboard's build quality is solid, and the gasket-mounted construction gives it a premium feel. I was excited to unbox and explore its features. One of the standout features is the RGB backlighting, which is vibrant and offers a wide range of customization options. You can choose from various lighting effects and even create your own, adding a personalized touch to your gaming setup. The pre-lubed hot swap switches provide a smooth and tactile typing experience, and the custom keys allow for further personalization. The keyboard's connectivity options are versatile with Bluetooth, 2.4G wireless, and USB modes. This flexibility ensures compatibility with various devices and allows for seamless switching between different setups. The included screen and control knob are handy additions, providing easy access to media controls and lighting adjustments. During my initial use, I found the keyboard to be responsive and accurate, with a satisfying clicky feedback. The plasma arc design adds a unique visual element, making it stand out from traditional keyboards. The wireless functionality is a huge plus, offering freedom of movement without compromising performance. Overall, the Redragon wireless mechanical gaming keyboard is an excellent choice for gamers and content creators alike. It offers a blend of style, performance, and versatility, making it a great addition to any setup. I'm impressed with its build quality, customization options, and seamless wireless connectivity. I look forward to putting it through its paces and exploring its full potential.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.